Sangbonani, Dumelang, Amsheni. I'm back with another short 60 seconds bafethu. Niyazi bafethu. So let's talk about it. Orlando Pirates have made two more signings after Andre de Jong. Daniel Msendami Nompho Chabatsane from Marumo Gallants. Bafethu, honestly speaking, angibazi kahle labantu laba, the players, their profile, kuthi badlala kanjani. I'm not gonna comment on that. I'm just happy with the Pirates. They are bringing in bodies to help us win the league title. Bafethu, Msendami is Zimbabwean international. Simbonile ku-CAF. Plays mostly on the right. We need a right winger, bafethu. Let's be honest. And Umpho Chabatsane, a replacement Kambogazi. It's like that. Ayikhenye. Let's hope the Pirates do something big. Let's hope one more signing. Daniel Mutau.